Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover. Removal. Important: ensure the battery cable is disconnected from its connector on the system board. Remove the two 2mm P0 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the heatsink to the top cover. Note: due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease located between the heatsink and processor components, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the system board. Lift the heatsink off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Note: before replacing the heatsink, the thermal grease should be replaced. The thermal grease should be replaced every time the heatsink is removed. Use alcohol and a soft cloth or an alcohol swab to clean all thermal grease off of the heatsink and processor. Use the thermal grease applicator to apply the proper amount of thermal grease to the center of the processor core. Place the heatsink onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the two 2mm P0 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the heatsink to the top cover.